Pace University Library provides access to a wide range of resources on our website at Library.Pace.edu. In this video, we will briefly review the various source types and information you can access as a PACE student. For more detailed information on accessing and using these sources, use our video tutorials collection that you can find under the Help menu page. The library subscribes to hundreds of databases where students can find and access sources such as journal articles, magazines and newspaper articles, primary sources, and more depending on the discipline focus of the database. There are two major types of databases: general ones, which provide access to information from across a wide range of topics, or specialized databases, which provide in-depth content on a specific subject area or discipline, such as business, environmental science, or sociology, for example. On our main homepage, you will see a box with 6 different tabs and some quick links on the right. The first tab is Quick Search. This searching tool provides results from a wide variety of databases, all with one set of keywords. By entering your search terms here, you'll receive results of different source types like articles, books, newspapers, and more from across our resources. It's a great place to start to learn more about what's available on your topic or to help you narrow down your topic. The next tab is the Books and Media tab, where you will find results for physical books available on our campuses, which you can request, electronic books you can access with the click of a link, as well as streaming media. The Journal Title tab allows you to locate specific journals, magazines, or newspapers and find specific issues inside our databases. This is especially helpful if you find an article from the web and it's behind a paywall, but you'd still like to try and access it. On the Databases tab, you can link to or narrow down your selection for a general or subject-specific database by using the drop-down on the left or the alphabet on the right. By clicking All, you can see a list of every database with a description to guide your choice. If your professor has reserved a book or article for everyone in your course to share, you will be able to find it under the Reserves tab. Search by course, instructor, or term to locate that resource. And lastly, you can locate helpful research guides on a wide variety of topics under this tab. Research guides are created by librarians to gather information on a subject area, topic, or assignment and link to reliable sources that students can use. And if you have questions about library resources or need assistance, you can chat with a librarian by clicking the Ask a Librarian button on the bottom right. Entering your question into this box will start a live chat with one of our knowledgeable staff members. And if chat is closed, you can submit a question and receive an email response within 24 to 48 hours. For more information on contacting the library, see the description of this video.